Do you think work is better than Christmas? Ethan did, until this happened.
Listening speaking practice. You will learn vocabulary and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started.
Ethan is 25 years old. He is a programmer and loves his job. On Christmas Eve, his room is quiet except for the sound of his keyboard. He talks to himself as he works.
I don't need Christmas. Work is better. No noisy family dinners. No silly gifts. Just me and my code. Perfect.
He stretches his arms and looks at the clock.
9 p.m. Good. I can finish this project tonight.
Suddenly, his phone rings. It's Mia, his coworker. Ethan frowns.
Why is she calling me now?
He answers the call.
Hi, Ethan. What are you doing?
Working. What else?
Ethan, it's Christmas Eve. Don't you want to do something fun?
Fun? Writing code is fun.
Come on, let's go to the Christmas market. It will be nice.
Ethan hesitates. He talks to himself again.
Should I go? I don't even like Christmas. But maybe it's not so bad to take a break. I've been at my desk for hours. And Mia sounds excited.
He picks up his jacket.
All right, Ethan. Just 1 hour. Then back to work.
At the market, Ethan sees colorful lights, hears carolers singing, and smells warm cinnamon. Mia buys him a hot chocolate and says,
See? Isn't this better than work?
Ethan smiles for the first time all day.
Maybe just for tonight.
As they walk through the snow, Ethan feels a little warmth in his heart.
Maybe Christmas isn't so bad after all.
Practice your speaking. Answer the next question out loud and leave your answer in the comments. Short answers are okay. Do you think work is better than Christmas?